What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Roblox tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add speaker tags into your Roblox chat. So speaker tags are the tags to the left of your name during the Roblox chat. They're usually some form of group membership. Say that you're an admin or you're the developer of a game, you can add tags so that when you're speaking, people will know that you are the developer. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do that in this tutorial. So what you want to do is you want to go to server script service and add a script. And then you want to get the server script service itself. So server script service. So just like that. Normally we don't get this service that often because it's just used to store scripts. But when we run, I'll show you that there is a special script we want to get. So we just want to click play here. And you can see right now, of course, we're in the client. Let's switch to server. There's a lot of things here. Most notably, you can see this chat service runner. So this script has a bunch of module scripts inside, but this is the script we want to get. All of these functions are things we want to get in order to make this work. So that's why we are referring to server script service. And on that note, we're going to get the chat service in our next line of code. So chat service. And no, it's not this service. We're ignoring this service. We're getting the one inside the server script service. So we do require server script service, wait for child. We have to do wait for child because not all clients load the script at the same time. So you don't want any timeout or cannot index script or something like that to appear. So wait for child, and then you can see we're going to get the child module script called chat service. So another wait for child within this wait for child chat service. So just like that. Next, we want to bind a function to our chat service event here. So this chat service provides an API for us to communicate with the Roblox chat. So we're just going to use the speaker added function. So this should appear each time when you chat. There we go. Okay, function. And then the parameter is the player name. Alright, now we can set local speaker. There we go. Local variable called speaker, and then that will be a function called get current speaker, or just get speaker. Player name as the parameter. Next thing is the fun part, where we can start adding tags and other stuff to our speaker here. So first thing we can add is the tags data type. So this will be in the form of this list here, and we can add some attributes such as tag text, and then I can just do your tag here, and then we can also set the tag color. So the tag color will be a color 3 value from, I'll just do RGB. You can do the other function as well. And you can just select a color from the wheel here. I'm going to select, we can just do blue here. And then that will be it. So let's run it and then let's see if it works. So let's do something like, and I'm not sure if you can see this, but there is a tag. I'm going to change the color as it blends in with the sky. Let's change it to red so that we can definitely see it here. So I don't know if you just saw it, but there is a tag to the left of our name right there. So you can see, yeah, now you can see clearly your tag here, and then my name is right on the right hand side here. So that's not the only thing you can do, as you can also add a second tag if you have multiple ranks in a group. So what you want to do is you want to copy and paste this, and then add a comma, just like this, and then I can just say tag number 2. And then obviously we can also change this color here to, let's just do green here, bright green. So once we press play, you can see that tag number 2. And you can add as many tags as you want, but just note that it might fill off the screen. So don't add too many tags. And if you want, you can also fix your name. So normally you can see that the Roblox name color changes each time you join a chat. But you can set your name's color to a default color each time if it's your game. So we're just gonna set the name color attribute, and then we're just gonna get a color 3 from, and just we're gonna let's just do purple here. So now once we press play, our avatar will display purple. So you can see it will default to this purple color or magenta color each time, no matter, let me just join again. Usually it will change colors, but you can set it to a fixed color. So now we can just do this. You can see it's the same the whole time. And if you're feeling extra fancy, or say that you want some announcement in your chat, you can also set the chat text font color thing to a different color. So that'll just be the chat color, and then you can set the color to a specific color. Now I recommend you set it to this value if you really want to make it stand out, because this is a bright yellow color and people will know that you're either admin or you're the owner of the game. So I can just do text, and you can see there's this yellow text right here. Let me just do, and it works for multiple things as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the chat. Now, if you want to integrate it with your group, what you want to do is you can use this nifty function called get rank in group, and all of that will be done by using this. Let me just get another service here. It's everyone's friend, the player service. So just like that. Now what we want to do is, let's say that we don't want to make everyone have this bright yellow chat color. So what we can do is we can do something like this. So if player name and then get rank in group, so just like that, and then in here is your group ID. So I'm not going to put my group there, but you can imagine what the group ID for that is. And we're going to set this to a random number from 0 to 255. Now this is your rank number, so you can check that if you go to your group configure page. You can see what each member has their own number. Obviously 255 is the owner, it has the highest permissions. You can set other members to like rank 100. This will have some permissions, but not as much as rank 120. So you get the point. So let's just set it to 255. So if the rank in the group is 255, then we can actually make them chat in the yellow color. Otherwise, we will not make them chat in the yellow color. So we can also do greater than. Greater than. We can set this to, let's say, greater than 100. So all ranks that have a value of 100 or greater can get yellow color. And this might be useful if you say you have multiple ranks, for example, moderator, and this rank will be, say, like 102. And then you have admin, which is higher than moderator, saying like 200. And obviously you have the owner, which is 255. So all three of these ranks will get this option to chat. So other than that, that is pretty much it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.